pretty decent fish, buddy.
Yeah, we might have to give him just a second. Wait a minute, I'm hung. All right, go. Oh, what's a good fish? That's a good damn fish right there. How'd he not bite no more than that, or fight no more than that? Well, hell, I started reeling mine in and had something on it. Guys, I got no idea what this video today means, but if you're seeing it, we got into something. So we're going to bank fish here for some panfish, and we might pull boards later on tonight, and we might try to dip net some shad. Don't really know. We don't have a plan, so you're gonna know as we know. You know? If you know, you know. Don't you just like to slap people when they say that? If you know, you know. So you look. Bluegill action that time, boys. Sorry for the sporadic camera work on my end, but I'm running on a small battery. I'm trying not to keep it running. One of these days, I'm literally gonna make a video. They're just coming over here. Look, there's you. They're just coming over here and see how much tackle I can find. Yeah. That's a good one too. The one time I did turn the camera on, sorry, just cussing. So that bush is loaded up. Getting ready to say how much water's in this boat. Probably. Right here's a good spot to crappie fish. Come off, right slow. Is he out a little bit? He's All right, y'all. We bank fished for bluegill and crappie before it got dark. Now it's dark. We're gonna pull these boards back. Suspending fresh cut bluegill on your left, on the starboard side, and we got chicken breast over on the port side. Varied between, got 10, 12, 15 feet deep. Everything we're showing, every mark on the graph is 15 feet or higher. So, not saying there's not any fish on the bottom, but if you're seeing most of the fish in one spot, then that's where you probably should fish. Back to them little bastards. I don't know what it is about them this year. No. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. That might not be a nursery fish there. Fish on, boys. Big fresh bluegill head. There you go, fish. Come around there and act like you got some sense. Try to keep this boat straight. Might have a little bit of shoulder on it. I'm gonna tell them where we're liable to end up. This boat.
He's huge, but pulling harder than he is.
Respectable.
He is big anyway.
Sorry. Oh.
Being stupid. Ready to come up in that damn net.
You know who say he swallowed that bitch right there. Well, we're about 15, 20 minutes in. Well. So that fish was 10 foot deep.
Yep.
On a bluegill head.
About 9, 10 pounds, probably, maybe 11, I don't know. Quit being stupid. Sit up here. Act right.
Ain't no sense you talking about. See, that's what you get for calling that fish stick.
Slimy. 9.5.
9.5.
You ready?
Here, let me shut this down there too.
Out there in the light. Oh.
It's recorded, so you just do whatever you got to do. I can make the rest of it work. Mm-hmm.
That might be the brightest security light I ever seen in my life.
Which one?
That one behind us, to the side.
Oh yeah. Be all right, won't it?
That might be fine right there.
I'll tell you what, we're going to grow to love that box.
Yeah, this.
Yep. Uh-oh.
There's the middle one right there. There it is, baby.
Yeah. Drag puller right there. Oh God. Sorry, just a good fish.
Good.
Get it out of the rod.
Get it out of the rod over, Scott. How good a fish is it, Scott? We need to move something.
I got it. Oh, what you got? Ain't that big. He's better than what we've been getting.
Good.
Oh, he come off. And I never did lose tension on it.
Yeah, dude, hell, that's going to happen from time to time. I don't know what these guys up here do.
One of them is smoking the reefer.
Mad.
Uh-oh. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what he wants to do. We're trying to get him around this way.
Lift your foot. Oh God, that's a pretty decent fish, buddy.
Yeah, we might have to give him just a second.
You can give him a second. It's a good fishel. Good fishel right there. Can we put him in or wait?
Yeah, if you can get him, get him.
It's a good fish. All these wires and shit. Ain't running into the damn thing here.
Dude, that thing's so wrapped up. I knew I felt something giving. That's what that. There we go. We're getting somewhere now.
Oh,
All right, go. Oh, what's a good fish?
fish. That's a good damn fish right there.
How'd he not bite no more than that, or fight no more than that?
Well, you know how it's gonna be.
Oh, he's going to kill us
He's
right here.
gonna kill us right here in a second.
Let me go ahead and get.
30-pound fish, dude. Do you know where the hook is?
Right in the top of his mouth. I can feel him tensing up. We'll get some light for you guys here in a minute, I promise. Right behind that tooth patch. It's kind of odd. God. Dude, he just broke my toe.
You knew it was happening. Yeah.
I mean, straight up. He slammed them pliers right into the top of it. Look here, busted them all to hell. Yeah. Dude, I literally, there's decent chance he broke my toe.
Big one? Little.
Big one. Half the little one.
He can probably survive the little one. I don't know if he's gonna survive the big
I
one.
mean, I can move it. I can wiggle it in my boot.
Yeah.
Except I ain't got boots on. Dude, come on. Keep on, fish. We called that bigger than shit though. He didn't fight enough. He's a.
Him in the water.
Come on, dude. The longer you act ignorant, the longer you're gonna be out of water. I got no idea how this is gonna work. I got it held on to. I'm sure, pretty sure the scale don't work anymore, but.
You ready?
Yeah.
Where you gonna let him go at? Oh, we need weight.
That never did
Dumbass.
flash. Did it take good?
It's alright, I took it both ways. It's probably because of my light.
It's slicker and snot on the doorknob too.
What you got?
Lay down. I don't want him to fall and bust his head open. Unstable, of course. Story of my life.
Up.
35.
35.
35. Just under 35.
Okay. Fish.
This should be fun, shouldn't it? Come on. Phew.
All right, Bo.
I think my toes gonna be all right. Well, guys, we had some fun jacking around with some little bluegill and crappie before it got dark. Pulled our planer boards there for probably 2 or 3 hours. Caught a 10-pounder, a 35-pounder, and had another real good fish spit the hook on us. Was hoping to come back to the dock and dip net some shad. Last couple mornings we had a report that they were up on the bank spawning, and unfortunately either that's over or they took a break for the night. But either way, it is midnight 30 and time for all of us old folks to go home and go to bed.